If your retirement plan doesn't factor in taxes, you may be missing out on potential savings. Joining us now for Retirement Coffee Talk are George Fossing and Travis Smith. George is a financial advisor and the president of North Star Financial and Retirement Planning, a local area firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. Travis is a CPA and financial advisor at North Star. Good morning.
Good morning. You look lovely today.
Thank you. You know, it's the middle of the summer. We got to do this.
We're in it.
June is here and we are talking taxes. Why do you feel proper tax planning is so frequently overlooked?
Well, we've seen this over the years. We talk about this every so often, right? Tax planning. The biggest thing we see is really people just had their taxes done not too long ago for most people. Others filing their extension. But basically, their tax preparer is really just clearing up last year's mess, trying to minimize the damage, if you will. They're not really thinking forward. They're not paid to think forward down the road. That's what we do. So, you know, Travis being the CPA and such, he's got his finger on the pulse with tax planning and just sees this down the road. And with the homework he's been doing, we really see some significant tax increases down the road. So it's a good time to start looking at it.
Okay, I love it. What are some things we could start looking at now, Travis, that could help?
Well, it's good to, people typically hold back on looking at their taxes and developing a plan, but certainly we can begin looking at what type of income we're going to recognize this year, considering Social Security, the implications there. Should we start looking at stocks that you may have and whether we should sell some and utilize gains and offset gains via losses? These are all things that by actively managing now, it could have great benefits next year when we file.
Okay, do you think that sometimes this is a strategy that people think, oh, only the super wealthy take advantage of?
I get that all the time. Now, really, if you're an individual, if you've got over $250,000 more in an IRA or 401k or combined, you might be a good candidate for looking at tax planning. That's simply deferred income. And if you're married, about $450,000 to $500,000 or more in your retirement accounts total, it might be a really good candidate to look at this. But we see it quite often. Probably, what do you think, about half the people we sit down, the viewers that call in that we're able to work with and talk to, they actually can save a significant amount of money in taxes down the road. It's so much fun. It sounds boring.
It truly is.
George, taxes is fun? That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Taxes are
Mom
fun?
would be proud of me. Yeah,
well,
but
saving money on taxes is
what
fun.
it's about.
Yeah, that's
saving
fun.
money. Okay? Yeah. It's paying the IRS not any more than you have to.
Right.
Legally. That's what Travis does. Does a really good job of that. It sounds a little convoluted. It's not. It's very simple. The math is simply the math. And that's part of our services for our clients as we go ahead and we'll look at this and see significant of this. We just had a client in last week, and I think it was like $10,000 this year.
In savings.
Savings,
yeah.
And down the road it could be worth a couple $100,000 in savings. That's if the taxes don't go up. If they're just the same, that's the significance. So basically this is planning by design, not by default. Default is the government program.
Right. And what's great about y'all too is, you know, people could be, you know, stashing away and doing something and like, oh, we're set. And then all of a sudden they're getting taxed on all this.
Sure.
And it's like, oh, we didn't plan for that.
Mm-hmm. See it all the time.
Yeah. Another thing, just today I was actually looking into some rules related to health savings accounts and ways to take money from a traditional IRA, an account that you haven't paid taxes on, convert that into a health savings account, and that way medical expenses can be paid tax-free, essentially. So just little nuances like that we like to consider and incorporate into our planning.
And how many stories have you told us, George, of we're with the Smiths and they were great and they haven't paid, their taxes are, it's like, and it's legal.
Yeah,
like,
it's totally legal. It's by design. Again, you have to understand how the rules are and how they're played, and that's why the Travis plays an intricate part of that. He's got a master's in accounting, and this is what he does.
Big brain.
Yeah, smart guy.
I don't know about that.
Hey.
Handsome devil too. But really, seriously, it's just a wonderful way to go ahead and introduce ourselves to the public and say, listen, hey, we saw you on TV, you had Travis on there. Do you think we might be a possible candidate for his tax savings? Usually within about 5 minutes, we can say, yeah, you should come in. We'll take a look at it and do a deep dive. It doesn't cost anything to do this.
Love that.
It's part of our services. Again,
and I like it.
And selfishly, it makes our job easier.
Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because less risk has to be taken. If taxes go up, for people to have the same income, okay, they're going to have to take out more out of their retirement accounts. The government's going to get a bigger bite just to maintain your standard of living. So if you can reduce that in the future, investing can be a lot more conservative. You don't have to take as much risk just because the offset of that tax liability being gone.
I like that. All it takes is a phone call, guys. You can find out if you're a good candidate, save you all the money. Travis, George, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Listen, if you are at home, if you're currently retired or getting close to retirement and would like to learn more about how you could potentially reduce your future taxes, as well as help protect and grow your hard-earned savings and investments, North Star Financial has a great offer for the first 5 callers who have saved $500,000 or more. They're offering a complimentary, no obligation investment portfolio and tax planning review. This will allow their team to schedule a phone call, video call, or future in-office meeting so they can speak with you personally and provide you that roadmap going forward. Call the number you see on your screen right now, 864-309-8146.